I've kind of gotten into playing cards or trading cards for all types of sports. For example, right here I have some hockey one, baseball one, basketball, football, pretty much any sport you can think of. There's cards for it. To be honest with you, I have no clue about professional sports. So in this video, I'm probably gonna buy a couple more packs, go back home and get some of my cards I have there, and we're gonna see how much money I can make flipping trading cards or buying trading cards. Let's get right into it. To kick this video off, we'll be starting with some hockey cards that I have. Now, the reason we're starting with these hockey cards is because I bought them about 4 days ago and they still have a few packs in them. Most of the cards I've opened, none of these ones right here are actually worth money. That kind of shows you the gambling aspect of this. Over the past couple weeks, I've bought in both of these boxes and opened them. It's pretty hit or miss. Now, I have pulled a few cards that are actually worth money, and I'll show you those here right now. I've opened a total of 3 packs, 3 boxes, totaling $82. From all the boxes I've opened so far, I've come up with a few cards that actually will make me money. Quick disclaimer, I've already sold one card from the pack. It was a Bo Bichette Unleashed, if you know what that is. It's just a shiny card that sells for about, I think I sold it for $8 and I made $6 on it. The next card I have is this rookie card. This is worth about $15, so if I do end up selling this for that, I will get my money back for the box I purchased. 4 hockey ones. Together, they're worth about $55. Young Guns, it's kind of the rookie version of hockey. This is worth about $10. In total, I have $76 worth of cards listed right now. After fees, that's going to hopefully make me about $55 to $60. Boxes I've opened are worth $82, so I'll be down $20 overall on the boxes I've opened. That's where we currently stand. We're waiting on a couple boxes, probably be opening them here in about 3 seconds. Another pack of baseball cards. I got pretty cheesed with this pack. This was a pack of 35 for about $7. Didn't really get anything that's gonna make me any money, so that was kind of a flop. I'm gonna open my 2 boxes I have right here. I picked up a soccer one the other day, and then I also have this hockey one that's been sitting in my room for a while. Opened $140 worth of sports cards packs. Right now I'm going to go over the numbers thus far and go into what I'm about to do next. So of those 140, I've already sold 2 cards. Those cards were a Bo Bichette, which you've already seen earlier in this video, and then another one was one of the hockey cards, one of the die cut cards, which just means it's shaped really weird, different right there. It's called a die cut. I just learned that word too. Of the packs I opened last night, as you guys saw, and then of the ones I've opened previously, I now have these cards that are worth money. Some of the most notable ones, I thought this one was pretty cool. It's actually his real jersey right here. We had a bunch of die cuts, some of them are duplicates, so that's kind of nice because I don't have to make a new listing on eBay when I sell one. 2 soccer cards. I actually thought these soccer cards would do a lot better, but only 2 of them are actually worth money, and they're both only like $4 each. I bought the pack for $15, so that's a loss right there. Here's one more hockey one. This one's worth actually around $18, so this was a pretty good pull. What I've found is actually the hockey boxes have been the best ones so far for me. I've spent a total of $140 in cards I've opened so far. Of those cards you just saw, I'd make around $100 after fees and shipping. So far, we've ran a negative $40 profit. We do have around $191 left to open. However, I might not open one of those packs. I might be able to resell the box. It's called a Panini Prism. Actually, I have it right here. This is actually a $131 box I bought it for. Don't plan on opening this one, at least right now, because I think I could make some decent amount of money just selling the whole box. And then I also have one more basketball box on the way. I have a bunch of sports cards at home. I plan on going and getting those sometimes this week. and seeing if any of those are worth money, and maybe, just maybe, we can come up with a card that's going to put us in the positive for this video, but we'll just have to see. I know I have a bunch there, but I have not looked at them for years, so it'll be a surprise for me just as much for you. With that being said, I'll be back when I have something else to say. A couple days later, we now have everything in that I said was gonna get in. I just got this box. I will be opening this here very shortly. I went home for a little bit and I grabbed all my sports cards, basketball, football, and baseball in here. I need to go through all those and see if I have any that are worth any money. As you just saw, we just opened the final pack of cards we're going to be opening in this video. So the most notable cards of the entire pack, this Anthony Edwards rookie card, Saban Lee rookie card, Zion Williams orange laser, favorite card of the entire pack, Lamelo Ball rookie card. Since that's the last pack we're going to be opening up in this video, I'm now going to give a quick summary of how everything turned out. Over the course of this video, we didn't open 1, we didn't open 2, we didn't open 3, we opened 4 entire stacks this big of cards. That included sports such as baseball, hockey, soccer, and basketball. After going through all those boxes and all those cards, we came out with about this many cards that were actually worth money. As I said, I went through all 3 of these binders worth of cards. There were a few cards that were worth around 20 to maybe 50 bucks in there. I'm not really going to take any out of there to sell. You're probably wondering how much money I have into this right now. Grand total right now, after the cards I've sold already, is now $310. It's including this box. What I plan to do with this box is hold it for next year. It appears that if you hold these for around a year, they can be worth up to like $500 as long as they're brand new sealed. Let's just say I was only able to sell this for around $130 for what I got it for. That means I'd probably make about $115 on this. That would bring me back to around $200. These cards listed on eBay, I'd say I could probably make around $75 to $100 profit back. I think it's safe to say I will probably lose $75.